So I just got the parcel delivered from Hot House from when I was doing glass blowing last week. So they've sent us the final result after it's cooled down. So I've just cut the sticky tape. Let's have a look to see what the final product is. So the color has definitely changed from when I last saw it, because it was still like 500 degrees, I think, Celsius. So I stuffed it, and I made 2 items. So I think I'll start with this one. This is the thing I made first. Damn it. Unboxing troubles. Okay, so this is a paperweight in the shape of an egg. This has 3 groups of colors. So when I last saw it, you couldn't really tell all the colors in there. I don't know why I'm scared. Whoa! Oh wow, what is this? It's got a pimple. So I had some blue glass melted into it, green and purple, and wow. Yeah, so it looks like a saggy egg. So this is the bottom. I'm surprised about this knob. So I intentionally twisted the color, so there's like separate kind of twists in each color group, and I intentionally put some bubbles in there, which is cool. So this is what it looks like. Wow, I'm impressed. Wish I could have done more twirly twirls, but pretty cool. So top, so there's like, so we started with clear, and then we added color, melted it, and then added another layer of clear. Aww. If only I still use paper. Put this as a paperweight. It's cute. I like it. It's cute. Okay, next. Next one. Oh, there's a piece of paper. Oh, it's a sticker. Okay. So this was meant to be like a Christmas bauble ornament, but I didn't attach the hook, so it's actually something else now, that there's no hook. So this was kind of one group of colored granules, different to the egg. The egg shows ready. So my group buddy helped blow into this. So I didn't blow into my own one, I was shaping it. Whoa! Can look a little irky on some sides. But yeah, there was meant to be an extra layer of glass here, and then they melted into a hook to make an ornament, or a blob to make a stand. But I saw the hole and I'm like, leave the hole, because I wanted to use it as a vessel. But let's see if it actually stands. Nope. Oh no, it's too heavy. So I need to like anchor it with something. I was like, it'd be cool to use it more as a little vase, but it doesn't stand on its own, so it needs some help. But yeah, there's some twisting here that would have blown air to here. So I don't have anyone's trapped breath. But yeah, this group of granules is like pink and a little bit of yellow, and I really like the dark pink because it's more clear. Wow, these are the 2 things I made. See, similar size. What do I think? I really like the colors I put together. Not many people mixed 3 batches of color. Most people just picked one group of color. So I'm so glad I did this. I really like the green. And this one is okay. I like this one.